Fresh, nutritional and cheap on your doorstep. With prices soaring on the back of a prolonged drought, a renewed drive to encourage homegrown crops.
Use every piece of land, schoolyards, clinics, churches. They should plant and have something so that they can have something to sell, to eat and sell.
But with an ever-dwindling supply, water remains a challenge.
There are simple ways how we can save water. If you just look at the amount of water that's running from our roofs, if we can store that water in containers and that can be used again to irrigate our vegetable gardens.
The garden is now producing, but new problems have started. Most people think once your garden starts producing food, the hard part is over. But that's not true. My spinach and muchina are growing well. We are eating from this garden already. The tomatoes and peppers are flowering. But now the real challenge have started. Greetings everybody. This is Kondos from Inkarhi is Time channel. Inkarhi is Time. It's a movement for change, empowerment and transformation, encouraging people to take control of their lives through knowledge, self-reliance, health, food production, entrepreneurship and community development. And on this channel, I document the real journey, not perfection, but reality. Today, I want to give you an honest update about my garden journey so far, the successes, the struggles, and the lessons I'm learning along the way. The garden is producing. A month ago, I planted spinach, tomatoes, peppers, onions, and muchina. And now, for the first time, we are harvesting. The spinach is doing well. The muchina is also producing nicely. And honestly, it feels good eating food that comes directly from your own soil. This is exactly why I started this journey, to show people that even small backyard spaces can produce food. New challenges have started, but now I'm realizing something important. Planting is the easy part. Maintaining the system is where the real challenge begins. The tomatoes and peppers are flowering now, and this stage needs more attention, more consistency, and more discipline. Watering problems. One of the biggest challenges I'm facing right now is water. In this heat, especially here in Limpopo, plants demand water consistently, and if watering becomes inconsistent, the plants immediately respond. You start seeing slow growth, stressed leaves, weak development, and sometimes flowers dropping before fruit develops. This experience is teaching me that food production is not just about planting seeds. It's about managing resources properly every single day. Some crops are struggling. Another thing I have noticed is that not all crops respond the same way. Some plants are growing beautifully, others are struggling, and some are even dying. At first, I found this frustrating because you expect everything to grow evenly, but nature doesn't work like that. Different plants react differently to soil conditions, sunlight, water, and environmental stress. So now I'm learning to observe more carefully instead of assuming everything needs the same treatment. The assistance challenge. There's also another challenge that many people don't talk about. Sometimes when I'm not around, I ask someone to assist me with watering or checking the garden. But I've realized that when people don't fully understand your process, small shortcuts start happening. Maybe watering is rushed, maybe certain steps are skipped, and in gardening, small mistakes can become big problems later. This has taught me something important. If you want consistent results, you must build systems and discipline. The bigger lesson. This garden is teaching me much more than farming. It's teaching me patience. It's teaching me observation. It's also teaching me responsibility. And most importantly, It's teaching me that transformation takes consistency, not motivation, but consistency. If you are enjoying this journey and learning from these real experiences, please like this video, comment below and share it with someone who wants to start growing their own food. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to Inkarhi. It's time, because this channel is about empowerment, self-reliance and transforming our communities one step at a time. Also, tell me in the comments, what crops are you growing and what challenges are you facing in your garden? The journey continues. The garden is producing, but the learning has only just begun. In the next video, I'm going deeper into one of the biggest challenges I'm facing right now, water management, and how it affects everything in the garden. So make sure you watch the next video. Thank you for watching and take care. This is Kondos from Inkarhi. It's time, from dependence to self-reliance.